You think you know fried chicken. You're about to find out you know nothing at all. Is it the unapologetic fire of Nashville that defines the American palate? Or is it the soul of the South, found in a recipe passed down through generations? To find the truth, you have to break it down, deconstruct it, piece by piece. You're about to embark on a cross-country journey, not by road, but by flavor profile. Your first stop, Tennessee, the home of Nashville hot. Followed by Georgia's Southern comfort, Louisiana's Cajun kick, and California's Korean fusion. It all starts here, not with spice, but with a promise of pain and pleasure. The spice is baptized in fire, creating the signature Nashville hot oil. The canvas for this heat is a perfectly crispy, double-fried piece of chicken. You see that drip? That's not just oil, that's a warning. You feel it burn, but it's the kind of burn you find yourself craving again and again. But then, you travel south, and the language of flavor changes completely. Here, the secret isn't fire, it's soul, and it starts with buttermilk and a well-seasoned flour. It's not about violence in a deep fryer, it's a patient sizzle in a cast iron skillet. This isn't just a meal, it's a memory. It tastes like Sunday dinner in Georgia. You don't just taste the chicken, you taste a story of home. Head down to Louisiana, and the story gets more complex. It's a symphony of spices. The flavor isn't just on the crust, it's rubbed deep into the soul of the chicken itself. When it hits the oil, the spices don't just cook, they awaken. The result is a crust that's not just crispy, but layered with the history of Louisiana. You taste the smoke, the earth, the spice, and then the kick. It's a slow burn with a story. Then you jump to the West Coast, where the rules are completely rewritten. It's a fusion of sweet, savory, and spicy, a flavor profile that breaks all the old traditions. The crunch is still essential, but it becomes a vessel for an entirely new kind of flavor. It's as much a feast for the eyes as it is for the palate. You get the crunch, then the sweet, then the heat. It's an experience that feels completely new, yet undeniably American. But what is actually happening in that fryer? What creates the perfect crunch? You're looking at a masterpiece of food engineering. Every layer has a purpose.
The fat conductor, meat, the juice reservoir.
The secret to an earth-shattering crunch often lies in the double fry technique, a method perfected in Asian cuisine. But the soul? The soul comes from the batter. Each region adds its own story to the flour. It's a balance of science and story, of heat and history, of technique and tradition. 4 regions, 4 philosophies, 1 iconic American dish. So, after breaking it all down, after tasting the fire and the soul, a choice has to be made. Do you choose the intense, unforgettable heat of Nashville, a flavor that demands your full attention? Or do you choose the comforting embrace of the South, a flavor that feels like coming home? The complex kick of Cajun, or the modern pop of Korean fusion? The choice isn't simple. But in the end, my choice doesn't matter. The real question is, Which one rules your America?